Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. And today is Thursday. So the time is 9:45 a.m. So I'm heading towards South X in Delhi. So I'll just post my observations today. So please stay tuned. Please stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. I think it has rained yesterday night because the roads are wet, slightly wet. So I think it has rained yesterday night at midnight. Hope I'll reach early. I have to fill up my petrol. Actually, yesterday my bike was in reserve, so I have to refuel my vehicle. Otherwise, I have to tow it. Hope it is recording. Yeah, it's recording. So guys, we are heading towards petrol pump. As said yesterday, the trip is in trip F, so it is in reserve now. So I have to refuel my bike. So I'm heading towards this petrol pump, which is nearby my home. Hope there is no rush in the petrol pump. Oh, there is a huge line of buses over here in the petrol pump. It's of DPS, Delhi Public School. It's a huge line starting from there to till the end. So I'm here at the petrol pump. फुल टैंक कर दो भैया. जी. So guys, I am done with refueling my bike. So it took almost 2 minutes because there is no rush in bike section. So I'll just set my trip A to 0. Because whenever I refuel to get the mileage, I'll just be resetting my trip A to 0 so that I could calculate my exact mileage. So I have set it to 0. Hope there is no traffic. I think it has slightly rained yesterday. This circle is open. I mean the roundabout is open. So we have to go straight. We are just merging into expressway. The Noida Expressway, Noida Delhi Expressway. So the Scooty Pep. I think it's of 2000s model because I used to ride my first bike. I mean, my first scooter was Scooty Pep. I have learned driving. Riding a motorcycle. Motorcycle or scooter in the same scooty, and I have some few accidents too on the same scooter. But I have learned riding in the same scooter. In Scooty Pep. Mine was pink color. So guys, we were hoping for no traffic. But my luck, look at my luck. Daily in the hope of there will be no traffic near ashram, I'll be starting my day. My luck doesn't give a shit about it. Again the VIP section, the VIP guys over there. I want a selfie with them because they are VIPs. I'll definitely get a selfie with them if I get a chance. Oh, look at them. They are crossing this thing, the pothole. Wow. heading back to work, they are having some off-road experience too. But today the traffic is somewhat less. I have crossed Ashram early today. Starting from this toll gate, the traffic will be fully packed. I told you, the traffic will be fully packed. Oh, okay. There are some police. I think I don't know the exact issue, but there are police and army men carrying a gun. I have no idea about it, why they are here. So guys, I have dropped my wife and had my breakfast. So currently I am heading towards Nehru Palace as my laptop, I have bought my laptop at second-hand store. I have bought a used laptop at Optimist Computers, which is located in Nehru Palace. So there is an issue and I'll just make this thing sorted out, because for editing of the vlogs I need my laptop to be working in good condition. It's level 28 in the morning and I'm just heading towards Nehru Palace. The distance is around 5 kilometers maybe, and the travel time is 11 minutes. These guys, most of the guys block the free left, like the Creta one, which the white Creta guy is blocking the free left. All the left going guys are stuck in this traffic. The ceiling is of maybe 125 seconds. So I'll just turn off my vehicle to save the petrol. Yeah. And I'll just adjust my mobile holder. So we have to turn right from this signal. Oh, the map is now telling to turn left. So guys, we have almost reached our destination. So I'm near Nehru Palace. So we have just arrived at the location. We can see the Optimist Computer. So I just have to find a place for parking my bike. So I'll just directly park here. So guys, I have given my laptop to the same store owner. He said that he would be checking and sorting the things out. So guys, I'll just continue the vlog heading back towards home while heading back towards home. So meanwhile, stay tuned to this video. So guys, I'm done with my work and I'm just heading back to my home. So the distance is 18 kilometers and the travel time is 37 minutes. I think I'll be reaching early home today. Oh, he has made his auto a disco bar, disco floor. There is an exhibition going on the right hand side. I can see the colorful giant wheel there, but the fear of giant wheel. Oh, the weird feeling in stomach when we get into the giant wheel. There will be some weird feeling in the stomach. That's the scariest experience. I love giant wheel and I hate giant wheel. Sounds weird, right? Loving and hating at the same time. The temperature is so cool here. Like after 6 p.m. in the evening, the temperature drops down. Sometimes while riding bike, I literally shiver. But the sky looks so good. It is looking so beautiful right now. blue color and slightly reddish color. I think you can see the sky clearly because I mean in camera it would be slightly different, but in real life, I mean in reality, it's something else. It's looking so pretty. Riding in the evening time is the best feeling, but if there is no traffic, and I know it never happens. Just turn on my fog lamps too. No, not this one. Or this one. Yeah, this one. The potholes, man. Please develop these roads, not that one, which are already they are doing work on the roads which are already clean and clear. I mean, which are already clear. Come on, man. Do something on these roads, not that one. These potholes sucks, man. Oh, these people are walking on road. It's not a pedestrian line. Wow. Come on, guys. At least have some common sense. Wow. So guys, my charging battery percentage is at 2%. I mean 1%. Frankly speaking, it's at 1%. So before it gets switched off, I'll just end my vlog here, and let's meet in the tomorrow's vlog. So thank you for watching, guys, and sorry guys if you don't, and I mean if I'm fumbling in this vlog, sorry for that, and I'll try to improve myself in going forward. So thank you for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe to my channel Vlogs by Akash, and bye guys, take care.